Hello everyone and welcome to Hanoi, the capital of Vietnam again. This place is about 2 to 3 kilometers far away from Hoan Kiem or Hanoi Old Quarter, the center of the capital of Vietnam. Now I'm going to drive around to show you the nightlife of the local people living here. Let's go around with me and check it out. There are some beer places here. They are selling beers in the evening here. As you know, Vietnamese people really love drinking beer. And beside here is a park. It's a lake. Yeah. Where people easily do morning exercise and evening exercise and do some jogging, yeah, walking around the lake to improve their health. As more and more people are moving to Hanoi for more opportunity of jobs and more chances for work as well, to make money, to make better life in the big city. So there is a big need of houses in Hanoi. So Hanoian is making more apartments in this area. There's a construction over there. Another beer shop. And this is a cafe. Vietnamese people is addicted drinking coffee despite morning or evening, and Vietnam is a top exporting cafe in the world. We plant a lot of cafe tree in highland area in Tay Nguyên, in Tay Nguyên province, in Tay Nguyên area. Ways about 30 to 50 kilometers far away from Saigon or Ho Chi Minh City. Motorbike repairing shop. We are going to visit the local market here. The local here is selling vegetables and cooked food. And this is a fruit shop. A bakery. At night time, at daytime they have another area inside here as well. They're selling things inside here, but at daytime, but at night time they just sell out here. This shop is selling chicken. And plenty types of vegetables in Vietnam. And as you know, Vietnam is a tropical climate country, so we can grow almost every types of vegetables. These ladies are dancing and do some movement to improve their health, because they stay very long time here selling things, so they are tired. We also sell some pickles here as well. Some pickles. Party on the sidewalk. They are selling cooked food here. It's like steamed fish, spring roll, some barbecue. Thank you very much for watching my videos. You're welcome to visit my travel channel. To see more, to watch more videos. See you again.